Disassembly steps. Use a jack or forklift to lift the rear end of the stacker and support it with wooden blocks. Rotate the drive wheel so the nut can be accessed through the hole. Use a tool with a socket to remove the nut. Press down the handle and lightly turn the accelerator until the next nut can be adjusted within the hole. Remove 5 nuts in the same way. Turn the handle and use an Allen wrench to remove screws. Remove the center black retaining nut. Adjust the direction of the handle to remove the tire. Installation steps. Fix the fixing nut of the drive wheel with a socket and then install it in order.